Introducing the T640 and T620, the most innovative and highest resolution professional grade thermal cameras ever, new from FLIR. With the exceptional ergonomics T-Series is known for, featuring a rotating optical block to help you get the shots from any angle easily and comfortably. Get the best thermal detector in its class for outstanding image detail and the most accurate temperature measurements. A big bright touchscreen puts the tools you need right at your fingertips, so you can fine-tune images and add analytic data quickly and easily. And wait till you see our revolutionary Wi-Fi connectivity. Use the new FLIR Viewer app to seamlessly import images from the camera to an iPhone or iPad. Display and analyze them in greater detail. Add more measurement spots, generate a report, and share findings fast. Both models come with a large LCD for comfortable viewing. Choose the T640 and get the extra advantage of an onboard color viewfinder that makes working in bright conditions even easier and more productive. And both feature a 5-megapixel digital camera with the fastest autofocus available for the sharpest reference pictures and video. Only FLIR can give you such innovative flexibility and speed in a professional thermal imaging camera. Call us today to find a distributor near you so you can see the all-new T640 and T620 for yourself.